We all take care of our face and body, but there are times when we completely neglect our feet and do not take enough care of them. We've come up with some super quick and easy DIYs that will help you reduce tanning, cracked heels, skin roughness, and much more. Cracked heels bring a lot of pain and shame when we're always looking for ways to cover them up. With this super easy pedicure treatment at home, you don't have to hide your heels in public anymore. Pour 2 bowls of warm water in a tub, 1 cup white vinegar and 1 cup Listerine. White vinegar kills the bacteria on your feet. Listerine softens the skin and treats calluses. Stir it all and soak your feet for about 10 minutes. You can take a pumice stone or a foot file and scrub your cracked heels with it to remove dead cells. Soak your feet back for some time before drying them with a fresh towel and moisturizing them. If you're someone who does not have the time to care for your feet every week, then follow this DIY. Fill a tub with warm water, add a cup of milk and some rose water to the tub. Soak your feet in this luxurious soak for about 20 minutes. Milk contains lactic acid, which hydrates our feet and fights fungus. Rose water boosts back moisture into dry skin and soothes irritated skin. Relax tense muscles in the soak and you'll find that your feet look brighter than before. Foot files are godsend for rough feet. Here's how you can use one to smoothen out your heels and the skin underneath your feet. Soak for about 10 minutes in a tub of warm water to moisten and soften your feet. Now rub a foot file or a pumice stone on the rough areas of your feet and get rid of all the dead skin. Once you're done, dry your feet with a fresh towel and moisturize with a foot cream. Repeat this twice a week to keep your feet soft, healthy and clean. If a foot soak and scrubbing your feet with a pumice stone does not reveal healthy feet, here's a wax treatment that's sure to revive dull-looking feet. Paraffin wax treatments are very popular pedicure treatments at the salon and instantly soften rough feet. Take 4 parts of water in a container and start heating it. Add a slab of paraffin wax to the water and let it melt completely. Add a tablespoon of petroleum jelly to the mix and leave the stove on till it reaches a boiling point. Let the mixture cool down for a bit and make sure it's slightly warm when you apply. Now prep your feet by applying some olive oil. Now apply 3 to 4 layers of warm melted wax on your feet, heels and toes. Wrap with a cling film and leave it on for 20 minutes. Paraffin wax moisturizes dry skin and soothes aching joints. After the wax hardens, remove the cling wrap and take off all the flaky wax, and any dead skin that clings to the wax will also come off with it. Finish off with a moisturizer. If your feet give out bad odor or you have to wear shoes that don't let them breathe air, then here's a DIY that will help you keep your feet clean and fresh at all times. Add vodka to a cup of cold water and dip a cotton pad in this mixture. Dab this on your entire foot. The antiseptic properties of vodka destroy odor-causing bacteria and fungus and also balance out skin's moisture levels. Cracked heels are generally caused due to a lack of moisture and result in painful sores and infection. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes to soften the skin. Once done, apply a generous amount of Vicks on the cracks and cover them with cotton socks. You can do this every night before going to sleep to get rid of these painful cracks. Our feet also bear the brunt of all the stresses of our everyday lives, and so pampering them with a warm soothing soak is the right way to start your weekend. Dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt and a few drops of eucalyptus oil in a small tub, and then soak your feet for about 15 minutes or till you're relaxed. Massage in small circular motions to relieve strained muscles. This is one of the easiest ways to unwind yourself. A quicker solution to soften feet is by adopting this amazing spiced pumpkin foot mask. Take 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 cup pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup yogurt and mix it well. Cinnamon softens tired, rough skin. Pumpkin nourishes and brightens skin, and yogurt kills bacteria. Cover your feet with paste and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Repeat this weekly to achieve the desired results. Heels or new shoes giving you blisters or shoe bites? Take some cooling talcum powder and apply it on the affected areas to soothe irritated skin and fix shoe bites. You don't have to worry about not being able to flaunt your new trendy shoes anymore. With these home remedies, you'll see that your feet are getting softer, healthier, and cleaner every day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.